Welcome to our domestic relationship series, where we share tips for cultivating healthy and happy relationships at home. Today, we are going to talk about creating a peaceful and organized home and why it's important. As we get older, our lives get busier and more chaotic, and it can be challenging to maintain a sense of peace and order in our living spaces. But fear not. We have some simple tips that will help you transform your home into a sanctuary of calm and tranquility. Before we dive into the tips, let's take a look at what an unorganized home looks like. Does this look familiar? A living room filled with toys and clutter, a kitchen with dishes piled up in the sink, and a bedroom with clothes strewn all over the floor. This is not a recipe for relaxation, but don't worry, we're here to help. Imagine walking into a home that's peaceful and organized. Every room has a purpose, and everything has its place. A living room that's clutter-free and inviting. A kitchen that's spotless and functional. And a bedroom that's a heaven of calm and relaxation. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's possible with a little bit of effort and these tips. Tip number 1. Declutter your living space. One of the biggest contributors to an unorganized home is clutter. It's time to get rid of the things that no longer serve a purpose or bring you joy. Go through each room and assess what you really need and donate or sell the rest. Tip number 2. Create zones in each room. Assign specific areas for each activity, such as a reading corner in the living room, a homework station in the kitchen, and a relaxation area in the bedroom. Tip number 3. Use storage solutions. Storage containers, shelves, and cabinets can help you maximize space and keep everything organized. Tip number 4. Develop a cleaning routine. A cleaning routine will help you maintain your organized home. Make a schedule and stick to it so you can stay on top of the cleaning without it becoming overwhelming. Tip number 5. Incorporate calming elements. Finally, add some calming elements to your home. Plants, candles, and soft lighting can all help create a peaceful and relaxing environment. With these tips, you can transform your home into a peaceful and organized sanctuary. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about creating a space that works for you and makes you feel relaxed and happy. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.